Mia's taking her first step on top of the snow. Oh, oh, Dad's not going to be happy. I need to go fix that.
Mia, how was that?
Big for you?
How was that? I think if you dig a tunnel, she'll go in it.
Mia! Come. Come. Come.
Go get Katie.
Oh my gosh. I'm not even touching the ground and look how far down my leg. Put this on YouTube.
Maybe.
This is so cool.
My feet are cold.
Mia!
Mia, want to go in?
No, she wants to come out.
I'm locked out.
Hey.